Hey there guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. 6 months later, can you believe that, here on Shockbox? Actually, to be fair, the last video we did was a YouTube short on this phone, the Xperia 1 Mark III, which was pretty cool. Didn't actually do a full video on it, but I will in the future. Anyway, today is episode 1, the pilot, and I wanted to do a video sort of talking about 5 things that I've got a list. I'm so freaking prepared. I've got a freaking list of things I want to focus on with this channel over the next year, 2022, goals, ideas, setup. So yeah, this episode, if you're seeing it, also is a bit of a test. So if you saw it, if you're seeing it, if you're watching it, it was a success in terms of lighting, in terms of video, in terms of audio. It should all be pretty good. So yeah, it's the pilot episode. It's a test for me selfishly, and also if we upload this video, it's 5 things we're going to work on this year. So I hope you enjoy. Thumbs up if you do, subscribe for more videos, and let's get on to the 5 things we're focusing on. Number 1, actually, before we get onto the list, I just want to say the reason why in the past, because I know there's going to be comments about this, I don't think I've done 30 videos over 4 years, right, on this channel, and nearly every single one of them is in a different angle, perspective of this office, and I'm actually really happy with what we've got at the moment. So I'm standing at a desk, sit-stand desk. I've got my gaming kind of studio over here where I make gaming videos. I've got this set here, which is for tech videos with camera angles, and we'll get to that in a minute. And then I've got my settee, sofa, and the TV. Really cool. So I'm really excited about how it looks, and it's not chaotic. It looks quite nice in here, which I'm actually kind of surprised. It looks pretty good. It's functional, it looks nice, and it has everything I want. It's kind of amazing. I've spent weeks on this. I'll make a video covering it in more detail soon. So if you want to make sure you don't miss that, make sure you subscribe. Anyway, 5 things we're doing on this channel this year. So number 1 is more often. So like I said, I've done 30 videos over like 4 years on this channel, and it's because I've made a set, made a video, it's been pretty good, haven't been 100% happy with it, and then I've ripped it down, and I've now I've like built it, and I'm happy with it, so it's staying put. So I'm gonna try and aim soft goal of 1 video a week or 2 videos a week if I'm feeling pretty good about the setup, or I got some ideas. I've got so much coming up. We'll show you this in a little bit. Like, these are all videos coming soon, so you know, make sure you look forward to that, because it's going to be great. Anyway, like I said, so number 1, more often, 1 video a week. That's what's coming. Number 2 is more angles. So I talked about it earlier, but I've rigged up, I don't have them yet, angles, and that's kind of what this bad boy is for. This is a Sony 20mm prime lens, 1.8. It's absolutely a gorgeous lens. Got another camera coming, and I could either put it, let me know in the comment section, either above or to my left, one of the two. I eventually want to get 2 cameras, and then we'll have like, I can switch and change between the stuff. I did that way back when I did a Nintendo Switch video on my gaming channel. 3 cameras, all at different frame rates, all varying degrees of quality. But the video was really engaging because it changed camera angle every 5 seconds, and it was like entertaining to watch. So this right now is set up 1.0, we're gonna call it, and I've even drawn up a plan of 2.0. So like the hype here is like, oh, I've got so many good ideas and plans. So that's in the future, but right now we're gonna have 2 camera angles, and then eventually we'll get 3, and then eventually have a much cooler setup. So, but stay with me. At the moment, that's fine. We don't even have 10,000 subscribers. We're working on it. Number 3 is a bit of a cheat one for me, and that is more social. So I am, like, if you meet me in person, I'm quite I wouldn't say reserved and introverted, because that's not true, but I'm very happy to let other people talk because I find people intriguing, and I'm more than happy to just listen to you talk. If like we meet up for a beer, or I'm British, a cup of tea, I don't know, and we're having it, like, I'm more than happy to just let you talk. Not because I'm quiet, just because I kind of enjoy listening to people. It's a weird thing for someone who talks for a living, but maybe that's why. Talking reminds me of my work, and I'm tired. So just please, just fill the gap of silence with your voice. I don't know. So anyway, as a result of that natural part of me, I'm like a ghost on social media. So one thing I've promised I'll do in 2022, right here on this bit of notebook, so it's factual information, is a bit more social. So if you haven't already, check the links in the description and follow me on those social media platforms. Number 4, another bit of a cheat, but I I love watching other YouTubers in the tech space make videos, because they all, some of them, not all of them, but some of them, have a conversation with the video, and it's like they're talking to a wall, and then they have and then in the comments section and around their channel is like another conversation. So I would like to kind of not have two conversations and embrace the memes and whatever's going on in the comment section and suggestions. Like if I make a video, for example, about this bad boy, this is the Lenovo Fold X1, a beautiful foldable, which I want to make a video on at some point. It's really cool. And you guys think I say something stupid, or you have a different opinion to me, or I don't know, something controversial comes up. I want to include that in content going forward. So I really want to use you guys as a tool to make the content better, rather than get salty that no one's listening to me. Does that make sense? So I don't see enough of it on the internet. I kind of embrace the memes, and like, it's fine. I really don't care if there's memes. It's kind of funny, honestly. So yeah, number 4 is just more input from you guys. So be a tool, please. Number 5 is more subs. So I have no idea. Do we have a sub check? We don't have a sub check. Roughly? 7. Okay, so roughly we have 7-ish thousand subscribers. I don't know the specific number. I'm not being told. But there's no one actually over there. It's just a joke. Anyway, yes, 7,000 subscribers-ish. By the end of 2022, my goal is to hit 15,000. I'm going to put it in the description of every video, the goals, right? 1 video a week, 15,000 subscribers, and we need a third. I feel like we need a third goal. What's the third goal? Let's say 50 members. I believe we have memberships now. And okay, so we've got 3 goals. 50 members, I've just plucked that out of thin air, that means absolutely nothing. 15,000 subscribers, and 1 video a week are the goals of 2022. And we'll see if we meet them, and it'll be interesting to kind of like make content, and then at the end of 2022, see if we made it. That would be fun. And also, if this channel blows up and gets huge, which it won't, it might do, then we can look back and go, oh, remember when Ollie just wanted 15,000 subscribers and now he has 50 million? That's great, you know? So anyway, that's what we're doing. So anyway, that's the plan. Those are the 5 things. But before you go, I've got a list of videos I'm making over the coming weeks, so stay put. We've talked about it already. Oh, Lenovo Fold X1. This is a cool foldable phone. I want to make a video on it. That's what we're doing. Number 2, is going to be a video kind of unboxing the checkbox, if you like, of more camera angles. So I guess that's another thing I could put on my checklist in the description of videos. We're going to be focusing, I'll be opening some cameras and lenses, setting them up, showing you what they look like. That would be cool. The Xperia X1, I kind of want to make a video about, I'm not meaning to swear at you, that's Sony Xperia X1 Mark III. I want to make a video on this. It looks cool. That'd be cool. I want to do a video showing you the setup in more detail. That'll be a video, and I'll be using this, which will also be its own video, the Shift Cam, although it will be a shake cam because it's handheld. Shift Cam for the iPhone, which looks really cool. So we're going to be doing an unboxing, first look at that, and the white machine, which I don't know if I should do this. This is a terrible idea. Oh my God, this thing is so heavy. Okay, so you guys should like the video just for this, right? I'm lifting an entire PC just for you guys. Look at this. God, it's so heavy. So I'm gonna be making a video on that. Yes, and my last promise, my last promise of the day is to get a haircut. It's rather scruffy, it looks bad, I'm fully aware, but it's the internet and it will be funny to watch back at some point because it's a pilot episode. So yeah, why is the camera shaking? I can literally see the camera shaking right now. I'm not moving. Strange. Anyway, so there we go. That is everything today. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Loads of videos coming soon. And thank you for being part of this pilot episode. It's been great. You guys are wonderful. Goodbye. Sweet.